Hey YouTube, got this 29 Model A running and driving. However, it's making a heck of a racket. It's either in the transmission or the drive shaft or the rear end one. I'm not sure, but listen to this. I already had it running once, so I didn't need to choke it. Put it down in first. I got it up on jack stands. Go in the second. Go into third. Sure sounds like it's coming from the rear end to me. We'll go up under here. I'm thinking one of the spider gears is messed up. And I heard it, even when I shut it off, I could still hear it. Let's try that again. Neutral, set it down. Boy, that's a heck of a racket, I'll tell you. Whew. I'm afraid to run it too much. I don't want to make it any worse than it already is. So anyway, that's today's project. I got some big jacks here. I'm going to jack it up. I'm going to pull the top of the transmission out off. Look inside there, and then jack it up on the frame so I can pull the rear end housing and stuff away from the back of the transmission, and go from there. If I see anything inside the transmission, then well, I still have to pull the transmission out. So either way, the rear end has to come down and out. Otherwise, you got to pull the engine, and I don't want to do that. I do have to take that generator off today. It's not working because I had it running. I pulled the battery cable off, and it died. And it needs a whatever that is, a regulator or cutoff, I think it is called, or something. So anyway, that's what's happening. We'll see what goes on next. Thanks for watching.